Sharpen skill for middle school students. And this series, Sharpen skill, is for middle school children to sharpen their intuitive skill, get a quick boost, and arouse their interest in math. It is aimed to sharpen their recall and application faculties and drive away any math phobia deep in their minds. Students from anywhere in the world can apply to join our fully free online sessions. Math is where beauty, logic, and simplicity converge into a passion. So take up this challenge and solve in 30 seconds. Sharpen skill for middle school students. Now here we are given a figure, a triangle, and a line PQ parallel to YZ. Triangle XYZ, and a line PQ is drawn parallel to YZ. Triangle XYZ, line PQ parallel to YZ. Some of the lengths are given. You have to find the length XQ. The distance X to Q. You have to find the length XQ. Skills required are how to identify similar triangles. Similarity of triangles. How to identify two triangles as similar. And you have to know that in similar triangles, sides are proportional. First, you have to identify similar triangles, and then in similar triangles, the lengths of the sides are proportional. If you know these two things, you can solve very easily the length XQ. Now, PQ is parallel to YZ given. PQ is parallel to YZ. So the corresponding angles are equal. See the animation. See the animation. The corresponding angles are equal because PQ is parallel to YZ. So the two angles shown by animation, these two angles must be equal. That is the first thing we notice. Because the lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are equal. The angles are shown as animated arcs. You can see these two angles being corresponding angles must be equal. Now see the two blinking figures, the blinking triangles. On the top we have the triangle XYZ, and at the bottom we have the triangle XPQ. The blinking part, XYZ on the top and XPQ at the bottom. Now angle X is common. In both the figures, angle X is common. So angle X is equal to angle X. And we have already noticed that angle P is equal to, angle Z is equal to angle Q. Angle Z is equal to angle Q, angle X equal to angle X. Two of the angles are equal. Then the third angle must be equal. So the triangles are similar. The two blinking triangles are similar. Angle. Two of the angles equal. The third angle must be equal. So the sides are proportional. So on the top we take XZ, and at the bottom we take XQ. So XZ by XQ equal to, here we take YZ and here we take PQ. So YZ divided by PQ. So XZ divided by XQ is equal to YZ divided by PQ. So this is the ratio of the lengths because the triangles are similar. Now you can see from the similar triangles we got XZ by XQ equal to YZ by PQ. Now XZ is XQ plus 9. You can see on the top figure XQ plus 9. So XQ plus 9 divided by XQ is equal to YZ is 6 and PQ is 4, that is 6 by 4. XZ, that is XQ plus 9 divided by XQ is equal to 6, that is yz divided by 4, that is pq. So x cube plus 9 by x cube equal to 6 by 4 or 3 by 2. Cross multiply. Cross multiply, you will get 3x cube is equal to 2x cube plus 18 or x cube is equal to 18. So the length x cube is 18. If the length x cube is 18, then the total will be 27. So 18 to 27 will be 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 is also 2 by 3. So the required length x cube is 18. 18 units of length, that is the length of x cube. So that was a smart skill. Follow us to improve your skills so that you get over math phobia. You can quickly recognize when you see the question, how to do it fast, how to quickly recall the different formulae. So follow us, and always you can have free online sessions with us. So contact us if you want to have free online session. And that's absolutely free of cost for students and learners all over the world. So if you need, you can always contact us for any session, and you can also send us any question if you have any doubt. So we will come back with more useful videos. Till then, thank you and goodbye.